Hey, in today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, we will discover the 5 top business opportunities in Nigeria that can make you money in millions in 2024 and beyond. Are you here? Yes. Nigeria is a country that is brimming with youthful energy and entrepreneurial spirit. In the midst of our dynamic landscape, these 5 business opportunities that I will be sharing with you today are not only profitable but also contribute to Nigeria's socio-economic development. Yes, whether you are a seasoned or aspiring entrepreneur, this insight will guide you toward a successful business venture in Nigeria. And the number 1 business opportunity that I'd like to share with you today is the elderly care business opportunities. The elderly care business opportunities. Nigeria's population is not only large but also aging, creating a significant need for elderly care services. As life expectancies increases, more families are looking for professional care for their elderly loved ones. This shift presents a lucrative opportunity for businesses that can provide quality and compassionate care for elderly in Nigeria. So, establishing elderly care homes are essential for providing round-the-clock care to senior citizens who need assistance with daily activities. And the startup requirements are not that much. All you need is number 1, accessibility to location and infrastructure. I mean comfortable living facilities that are equipped with medical and recreational amenities. After that, the next thing that you need to work on is to obtain licenses from health and social services authorities. And then you move to hiring trained caregivers, nurses, and support staff to ensure high quality care. Then you go to the next level, which is marketing through community outreach, social media, partnership with healthcare providers to attract clients. This is a good business opportunity that you can tap into in Nigeria. The number 2 business opportunity on my list is green business opportunities. Green business opportunities. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in Nigeria as the country faces environmental challenges. Green businesses are not only essential for the environment but also offer significant economic opportunities. Entrepreneurs who embrace sustainability can tap into a growing market and contribute to a greener future. Renewable energy is also crucial for addressing Nigeria's power supply challenges and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Solar panels or solar energy is another way to go with the rate of inadequate power supply and electricity tariff hike in Nigeria. I remembered when I installed an alternative source of energy last year, and by now I am enjoying my investment because it's worth it. Investing in solar panel installation and maintenance services for homes, businesses, and communities will make you money in millions upon millions if you know how to structure and market your business in Nigeria. The number 3 business opportunity is wellness and fitness opportunities. This is a gold mine. This is what? This is a gold mine. The wellness and fitness industry in Nigeria is experiencing significant growth driven by increasing awareness of health and fitness. More Nigerians are adopting healthy lifestyle, creating a demand for wellness services and products. The opportunities are massive in the area of fitness classes, both online and in-person classes, healthy eating, and mental health awareness. By providing a welcoming and exceptional services, you can build a loyal customer base and achieve long-term success in the fitness industry in Nigeria. In fact, you can also take the business to another level by providing wellness coaching and consulting services for those who are looking for customized or personalized guidance on health and wellness. The demand is high, especially now that healthcare is no longer cheap in Nigeria. This is something that you should look at if you have the resources. The number 4 business opportunity is what I call the business of happiness. I realize that relationships are fundamental to human happiness and well-being, and the demand for services that will enhance personal and interpersonal relationship is on the increase, providing various business opportunities for smart entrepreneurs. Understanding the market by identifying the needs and challenges that people are facing in their relationships, from dating to marriage and to family dynamics, are very important if you want to tap into the business opportunities in this sector. Meanwhile, by offering supportive and solution-based therapy, you can help couples strengthen their relationships and achieve happiness. This is a money spinner if you can do the needful to set it up in our environment. While the last but not the least is consulting services business opportunities. This is my field. The demand for consulting services in Nigeria is rising as businesses are seeking specialized expertise to navigate complex challenges and enhance performance. Now, consulting offers a versatile and profitable business model, allowing you to leverage your skill, leverage your knowledge and experience to help others succeed. Business and management consulting involves helping organizations to improve their operations, strategies, and overall performance in the areas of market analysis, strategic planning, operational efficiency, change management, and lots more. So, by offering tailored solutions, you can help businesses thrive and achieve long-term success. Let me quickly recap as we wrap up this episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. But before I do so, I need you to please comment, share, and like this video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm begging you. This will help us to create more content and also reach out to more people that will watch this video. And one of the reasons why I am asking you to subscribe, if you have not done so, is that in the next episode of this podcast, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money during inflation. I hope you know that the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria has raised the monetary policy rate, I think 2 days ago, which benchmarks interest rate from 24.7% to 26.5%. Wow. And that is with 150 basis points. Do you know what that means? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you more about it in the next episode and how you can take advantage of high inflation in Nigeria. So let us recap today's episode of the 5 top business opportunities in Nigeria that can make you millions in 2024 and beyond. The number 1 that I shared is elderly care business opportunities. Number 2, green business opportunities. 3, wellness and fitness business opportunities. And the number 4 is what I called the business of happiness. While the last but not the least is consulting services business opportunities. Don't forget that Nigeria is a land of massive opportunities, and these top business opportunities offer the potential to make millions while contributing to the country's growth and development. So by understanding the market, investing wisely, and providing exceptional services, you can turn your business dreams into a reality in this economy. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insight on thriving in Nigeria's dynamic business landscape. Till I see you in the next episode, I remain your host, Taiwo Balogun. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.